In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tesco Whoosh in 2026. To get started, open the Tesco Whoosh page in your browser. This is the part of Tesco's online shopping service designed for fast and convenient ordering, so it's a great option when you need groceries and essentials quickly. Once you're on the Whoosh page, the next thing you need to do is sign in. If you're new to Tesco, go ahead and register for an account first. If you already have an account, simply click sign in and enter your login details. Make sure you use the correct account so your shopping experience is smoother, especially when it comes to saved addresses, preferences, and checkout. After signing in, look for the All Departments option. Click on that to view all the available product categories. This is helpful because it gives you a full overview of what you can shop for through Whoosh instead of searching item by item. From there, you can choose a department to begin browsing. For this example, select groceries and essentials. This section is a good place to start if you're shopping for everyday items, and it helps narrow down the products into more manageable categories. Next, choose fresh food. This will take you into a more specific area of the shop where you can find items like fruit, vegetables, and other chilled or fresh groceries. If you already know the kind of item you need, this step makes it much easier to find it quickly. After that, select a fresh food category. Depending on what you're looking for, this could be something like fresh fruit or another fresh section. Choosing a subcategory helps filter the results so you're only seeing the most relevant items. Now you can browse through the fresh food products available in that category. Take a moment to scroll through the options and check that you're choosing the right item. This is especially useful if there are different sizes, brands, or pack options. When you find a product you want, click Add. As you do this, the item will be added to your basket. You'll notice that on the right-hand side of the screen, your selected products begin to appear. This makes it easy to keep track of what you've already chosen without leaving the page. Continue adding anything else you need, and once you're happy with your order, click Checkout. That will take you to the final stage where you can review your basket and move forward with completing your purchase. And that's how to use Tesco Whoosh. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to browse, add items, and head to checkout quickly and easily.